Hey everyone, right, so today's job is trying to repair this chassis. As you can see, it's snapped. So yeah, so that's our next job here. So that's a repair job on left and right, on both sides. The chassis on the left side's not snapped, but we're going to reinforce it just in case. And then up top here, you can see we need to repair all of that as well, on both sides as well. So yeah, so this is going to be a lot of fun. Thanks everyone. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, one chassis leg repaired. Now we're going to do the right side just to support it, make it stronger. But yeah, there we go. Thanks. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is an ABS brake line for an Evolve. So we had to take this one out because it was leaking over here somewhere. So we took that out and put a new one in. But the thing is, this thing sits between front diff and chassis, and this was quite not an easy thing to take apart and put back together without bending it. But yeah, so we got a new part in there. There we go. So that's the ABS line that I replaced. So it all goes underneath there and gets attached to that part there. So yeah, so this was a bit of a pain in the arse, but we got it done. Thanks everyone.